So now we're going to be taking a little walk around this little trail by Ness Islands, and actually goes on some of the islands on Ness River. Should be pretty cool. These beautiful pine trees now. The water's like almost black. So cool. See some of the moss growing off of the tree right there. That's neat.
The Forbidden Forest.
So look at this. Look at the bark on this. It's so cool. I wonder what kind of fish they got in here. Alright, let's go for a walk on the Forbidden Forest Trail, as my brother calls it. He's the camera guy. Such a beautiful dark green. It's a beautiful shot up there too. It's like a little hole over here. I bet maybe a little creature lives under that tree right there. I wonder how long ago that was chopped down. But this is beautiful during the holidays. It looks like they've got light streaming across the trees. Pretty sure this is the Ness Walk. I don't know if that's what you call it or not, but this is one of the islands. You can see the river on both sides. I'm just amazed at how dark the water is. Can't get over these beautiful pine trees. It's like one of my favorite type of trees. Got these beautiful trees, man. Look at that view from the bottom. So awesome.
Gone mental.
Probably go on my other toes.
If you ever come to Inverness, I highly suggest taking this trail right here. So far, it's beautiful. Wood too. So warm. Look at these trees, man. See these tall plantings over there? Gorgeous. See how cool that is, man?